Okay, in this question we're saying, given that the sine theta is equal to 3 over 4, find the exact value of sine 2 theta. So in order to do this particular question, what we need to do, we'll draw the triangle. So you just draw the triangle like this, and you're told that sine theta is 3 over 4, so just put your angle theta here. So sine, remember, is opposite over hypotenuse. So this will be the opposite, so that will be 3, and the hypotenuse would be 4. Now to get this length here, you just use Pythagoras. So this would just basically be 4 squared minus 3 squared, which is 16 minus 9, which would give me root 7. So this would be root 7. Now, to get the sine 2 theta, we're going to use this identity here. So sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. So that would be 2 times the sine theta we already know, which is 3 over 4. Now the cos theta, if you remember, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. So that would be root 7 over 4. So then that would give me 2, that would be 3 root 7 over 16. That would be 8, 1. So that would be 3 root 7 over 8. And that's our part A done. Now to do B, what we need to do, we need to use the other identities because we're looking for cos 2 theta. Now you can use any one of these, okay? So you can use cos squared 2a minus sine squared a, or this one or that one. It's entirely up to yourself. So we'll use the top one. So that would be cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. So cos squared theta, we already know that cos is root 7 over 4 all squared minus sine, which is 3 over 4 all squared. So root 7 times root 7 will just be 7. That's over 16 minus 9 over 16, which is minus 2 over 16, which is minus 1 over 8. So that's our part B done as well. Now for part C, now we know the fact that tan theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta. So this means that tan 2 theta would equal to sine 2 theta over cos 2 theta. So we already know what our sine 2 theta is. So sine 2 theta is 3 root 7 over 8. So it's divided by negative 1 over 8. Now if we apply the rules of division, so what we're going to do, we're going to flip that over. So that would cancel. So that would just give me minus 1. So that would be minus 3 root 7. And that would be my final answer.